Hello, everyone. Welcome to the fourth episode of the Coconut VA Fireside Chat. And for today's episode, guys, I am with amazing internal team ng Coconut VA. Isa-isahin natin, no? Let's talk about our new addition sa ating Fireside Chat. Ngayon lang siya sumali, no? Riva, would you like to introduce yourself, who you are, what you do, and how long have you been here with Coconut VA?
Hi, I'm Riva. I'm a marketing associate with Coconut VA, part of the internal team, and I've been with Coconut VA for 2 years.
Yan, thank you.
Yeah.
And of course, Shira, introduce yourself agad sa ating mga new viewers out there.
Hello everyone, my name is Shira. Ako yung HR manager for compensation and benefits. So ako yung nag-i-email, nagsa-Slack message dun sa mga huling nagsasubmit ng invoice na, invoice please.
Correct. Oo. And of course, ang mga nag-i-interview sa inyo, let's say hi to Justin.
Hi guys, so my name is Justine. I'm one of the hiring managers here at Coconut BA. And as Jam said, I am one of your interviewers. So, ayun.
Yes. And of course, ako si Jam. I am the sourcing and community manager of Coconut VA. And I'm your host for today's episode. Speaking of today's episode, mga mi, alam niyo ba kung anong topic natin? Oh, hindi nyo alam. Kasi
Hindi namin
ako alam
alam.
ko. Ang alam ko, ang topic natin ngayon ay the win-win-win culture. Ano ba ibig sabihin ng the win-win-win culture? Guys, if you guys don't know, Coconut VA is known for its win-win-win culture. Hindi siya nadadagdag ng isa. Oo. Tatlo talaga siya. Win-win-win culture. Kasi ito yung differentiator namin dito sa Coconut VA. Hindi pwedeng yung client lang ang masaya, hindi pwedeng yung business lang yung masaya, no? Dito sa Coconut VA, dapat yung client, yung VA, at saka yung business, lahat tayong tatlo, masaya. Lahat tayo winning. Okay? Lahat tayo umaangat together. Okay, so that is the background. And today, pag-uusapan natin, focusing on the VA side, no? Yung when it comes to our experience on how do we go about it when it comes to making sure na na-implement namin yung win-win-win culture para sa mga applicants, para sa mga current VAs natin, no? But first, let's talk about yung experience ni Riva. Riva, bilang you've been with Coconut VA since for 2 years already, no? Almost 2 years. Um, ano yung win-win-win moment mo dito sa Coconut VA? Would you like to share?
I think the win-win-win moment is first Mahar as part of Coconut VA. I mentioned to Jam on our Coconut VA talk. I waited for 6 months for to land a client with Coconut VA. So that's the first part na is mahire as a VA, be part of of a virtual assistant agency that has a better community, a better benefits for their VA, and a better relationship with the client.
Yes. So, like with your experience, pagka nagkakaroon ka ng mga difficulties with your tasks, for example, how do you go about it? And anong response?
So I have a comparison kasi I've been with different virtual assistant agencies before. So, pag maha-hire ako as a VA, ang lagi kong sinasabi sa hiring manager, "Uy, sana hindi siya laging naka-meeting, sana hindi kami laging naka-call kasi graduate na ako sa call center. So, ayoko na ng laging nagko-call." So if ever 1 hour meeting, 15-minute check-in, okay na ako do'n. So, if the client would prefer long hours of calls, baka hindi para sa'kin 'yun. So, I had that certain client before sa different virtual assistant agency. So, 4 hours ang work ko sa kanya. We are also on a Zoom call for 4 hours. And then after that, he wants to have an output as well. So mag-video call kami, papanoorin niya kung anong gagawin ko, and then tomorrow, the next shift, he will expect more work, like more output, aside dun sa nagawa namin sa Zoom call. So sabi ko, tumagal kami ng 3 months na gano'n yung setup. So, I talked to HR ng different VA agency before. Sabi ko, maybe the client needs a different VA. Maybe we don't have the same work style that we prefer. Kasi grabe, 4 hours kami na sa Zoom call. He wanna watch my screen while I'm working and he expects another output after the call while he only hires me part-time. So, um, ni-raise ko yun sa HR and then after a few hours, I receive an email na tinanggal na ako ni client.
Oh my God.
Hala.
So, ang nangyari is it was taken against me tapos ako pa yung ayaw ni client. So, sabi ko, "Okay, 'di na ako maghahanap uli ng bagong client sa inyo. Ayoko na ng gano'n." So, sabi kong
Correct.
gano'n. So, I have the same situation with Coconut VA. I was hired as an EVA as well, executive virtual assistant, part-time din. And then itong si client gusto niya rin na lagi kaming naka-Zoom call. Minsan pinagbabasa niya lang ako, tapos magkukuwentuhan lang kami, tagal-tagal niyang sumagot samantalang nasa Zoom call naman kami, tagal niyang sumagot. Sabi ko, "Hey, what do you want to do with this?" And he was like, yeah, sure, it's up to you. But we were in a Zoom call for 4 hours. So I told Fem about it. Sabi ko, baka hindi hindi ako yung VA na para sa kanya. Sabi niya gano'n. So sabi niya, "Let's talk to Miss Judy." So nag-call kaming tatlo and then I expressed my opinion. Sabi ko, "Wala ka ako po nagagawa sa 4 hours na lagi kaming naka-Zoom call, considering na part-time pa lang naman ako." So sabi ni Miss Judy, "Ito yung mga gawin mo." So, binigyan niya ako ng guide on how I will be productive and how I will assert yung proposal ko kay client. So, sabi ko kay client, maybe we can reduce the, Zoom hours, ganyan-ganyan. And then so that I can be more productive sa iba mong pinagagawa bukod sa nasa Zoom tayo. Tapos after a month, hindi pa rin nagbago. So I revert back to Fem. Fem, ano ba, aalis na ako, ayoko na. Sabi niya, "Wait eh." Sabi niya, "Let's talk to Miss Judy." And then Miss Judy talked to my client. And then siguro nag-usap sila kung anong magiging setup namin. And then yun, nag-workout naman over the next few months bago ako maging part ng internal team. So, dun ko nakita na hindi sila laging pro client, na hindi laging si client yung kakampihan nila. Dito sa Coconut VA, they will listen both side. We will hop on a call, pakinggan nila kung ano yung concern ko, ano yung mga preference ko before onboarding, and then i-relevert din nila kay client na, "Hey, your VA is ganito, ganyan." And then they will talk, and then ano, like, paano magwo-workout yung relationship namin ni client. Kaya ayun.
That's
It's very
nice. That's
different.
nice. That's good to
Um,
hear.
Hindi
Na
ako
hindi
naka-receive ng tsugi email after ko kausapin si Miss
correct.
Judy.
Oo, that's nice na hindi tayo client-centric. Ano, we wanna make sure na we are listening to both parties, no, before we make a decision. And we meet halfway. Very nice, very nice. Good job, ano, Fem and Judith's giving. Ayan. Dumako naman tayo kay Shira. Shira, what was your win-win-win moment here in Coconut VA? Let's go.
So my win-win-win moment here in Coconut VA was when I became part of the internal team and then part ng HR as the HR manager for compensation and benefits. And doon ko nakita how the founders made sure that that we have a good VA or good employee or good VA program. Kasi doon sa eto natutunan ko lang naman itong 5 elements of a good VA program or employee program. Natutunan ko lang din sa Total Reward Summit that I attended weeks ago. And that meron tayong 5 key elements. So we have a positive work environment and Coconut VA provides that. How? We have town halls, we have regional meetups, meron tayong Slack community wherein if for example si VA meron siyang software or task na hindi niya alam kung paano niya gawin or may challenges siyang hinaharap sa task na binigay sa kanya ni client, the people from the community, magpo-post lang siya doon and then the people from the community will, offer their help,
Yeah.
provide links to tutorials, mga ganon. We have mentioned ka ba regional meetups and then company getaways. So recently we went to Boracay. We flew all our 100 VAs to Boracay for free, diba? And
Yeah.
then we have team building activities as well. So doon naman sa professional development, papasok dito sa JAM because JAM is also hosting learning or skill building sessions na we conduct on weekends. Although not every weekend, pero naka-schedule, staggered
Yeah.
din naman siya. And this is for free. And then, financial security, why? Because compared to other VA agencies, we provide above average pay to our VAs. Tapos meron pa tayong 13-month pay, right? So all our
Correct.
VAs can enjoy their holidays, treating their loved ones, or dagdag sa savings nila, panggastos sa holidays. So we're all good with that. We have also client bonuses. So, upon 6 months ni VA, meron siyang increase sa kanyang rate. Syempre, of course, depende din yun kay client. And then after a year, may another increase din. But most of our clients naman, they're all supportive with a salary increase. So lahat dito ay happy with that. And work-life balance, why? Because we have paid time offs, diba? We have 12 paid time offs in a year, or you earn at least 1 paid time off per month of service here, Coconut VA. And then meron din tayong paid US holidays. So kung
Correct.
si VP man ay ang client niya is not from the United States, so for example, Australian client, so paid Aussie Australian holidays or paid UK holidays, ganon. And then sa health and wellness naman na pang-5, dun na papasok yung ating HMO that we provide not only to our full-time VAs but to our part-time VAs as well. And then they get to have one free dependent on us. Diba? And then meron ding benefits reimbursements dun na sa full-time VA na HMO benefits. So reimbursements for anything that is not a medical necessity. All they need is the official receipt and the complied outpatient form, and then we're all good. I-reimburse na up to 10 or 15,000 pesos per VA. So ayun.
Taray, di ba?
Yeah, so all 5 anong tawag doon? All 5
Elements.
good, yeah, the 5 elements of a good VA employee program. The founders made sure na we're all good with that, So ayun, kaya lahat dito masaya.
And ang maganda kasi doon, Mi, is that we all know that we have it, but we still want to make sure that we are, what do you call this term? Like, we are still on top when it comes to benefits. No, we want to improve on it, you
Yes,
know.
and currently we're on the process of looking into how we can further improve our benefits. And so
Exactly.
it's a very exciting time for Coconut VAs, hindi lang sa internal team, but of course to our external VAs as well, because the founders are very supportive. Our CEO is very, very supportive when it comes to giving out benefits. So we are revamping it, researching on what more we can give para everybody happy.
Amazing. So, simula pa lang to. Papunta pa lang tayo sa exciting part, Mi. Do you believe?
Yes,
Do you
I believe.
believe? I
I
believe.
believe.
Thank you so much, She, no? How about you, Tin? What's your win-win-win moment kay Coconut VA?
Right. So the win-win-win moment siguro for me as a hiring manager is as Coconut VAs, we're not just focused on, the client side. We are not making sure na clients lang yung nananalo. We're also making sure that VAs din yung nananalo, and of course the company as well. So as part of the hiring team, we hop on strategy calls together with the AEs. So what happens in strategy calls is dyan sinasabi ng potential client yung gusto nilang VA. So, before namin hanapan yung mga clients ng mga VAs is, we pre-qualify them first. So that's what the AEs do, beforehand, pre-qualify nila yung mga potential clients. So we make sure na hindi sila nightmare clients, na we make sure as well yung mga responsibilities na hinahanap nila sa VA is baka naman parang one-man team lang yung hanap nila. So we pre-qualify that one as well. So, and also, yung sa client side din, or client and VA side, what happens is we are, or as what Riva mentioned earlier, na we help the VAs if ever they encounter problems with the clients. We become mediators whenever they encounter problems. So, as I mentioned, hindi lang yung client yung palaging pinapanigan. We also ask the VAs how they are doing with the client, baka naman they are drowning with the task, etc. So that's where we come in. We step in and we also help the VAs. So, ayun, we make sure na lahat masaya dito sa company. So, ayun, yun na yata yung masasabi ko na win-win-win for me. And I'm happy to be part of this company. So, ayun.
Yes. O, di ba? Yun yung sinasabi natin, no? We do not just pre-qualify our talents, but we pre-qualify our clients too. Because we want to make sure na yung mga clients na mamatch sa mga VAs natin ay for long-term, hindi nightmare clients, non-toxic, toxic.
Yeah.
Not toxic, ano to, crayons?
Yeah. Tapos, alam mo, Mima, may dadagdag ako kasi there are some clients, hindi naman lahat, na they would want their VAs to be online or to extend work during the weekends. Pero because VA-centric nga tayo, hindi automatic yan. Once na-match ka kay client, dapat ganito yung sundin mo. Dapat mag-render ka ng work during the weekends. No, we of course ask the VAs if they're okay with that bago natin i-communicate kay client na si VA is okay with it or VA is not okay with it, then there may compromise naman nangyayari. Tapos pag ganito pa, Mima, kapag napapansin namin na si VA is laging nag-overtime. So that means ang dami-dami niyang work or ano ba yung may mga challenges ba siyang na-experience sa work niya. So our VA Success Manager, si Pem, nagre-reach out siya kay VA to make sure na okay ka pa ba? Do you have any help needed? And then that is also, kung sakaling mang may help needed na kailangan i-communicate kay client, that is also communicated kay client through our account executive. So hindi ka papababayaan na, binigay ni client sa'yo yung work na yun so pasalamat kami, trabaho ka, kailangan mong gawin yan. No. So we make sure that there is also work-life balance sa VAs natin. So ganun kamahal ni Coconut VA ang VAs niya. Kaya galingan niyo sa application.
At talagang well-being talaga, no? Well-being
Yes.
inaalagaan. I believe me. May sasabihin ako nakalimutan ko, pero ipapalagpasin ko na lang. Pero, yeah, that's how it is here in Coconut VA. So, kaya naman, if you guys want this type of culture, no? Ano pa hinintay natin, no? Apply na tayo by clicking the link in the description box. Here, dito sa baba, te. Huwag ka nang tumingin kung saan-saan pa. Andyan sa baba, okay? Meron yung that's what you call application walkthrough. It's like 5 modules of like very informational na content kung paano ba gagawin ng tama ang iyong application process dito sa Coconut VA. Ayan, so ginawa na namin yan, susundin mo na lang. Ewan ko na lang kung magkamali ka pa. Ayan. So, again, wrapping things up, no, I'm just proud to be in a culture wherein talagang your voice as a virtual assistant is being heard. No, it's very rare to be able to find that kind of culture elsewhere because we've been elsewhere too. And at the same time, dito talaga, to summarize lang, to sum everything up, ang ibig sabihin lang yan dyan is happy VA means happy client and happy client means happy Coconut VA. Kaya happy tayong lahat. Go, glow, grow. So thank you so much, guys. Riva, Shira, and Tin for joining me tonight. Thank you for imparting to our audience. Sana enjoy kayo dito. Comment below kung anong natutunan nyo dito. I-comment win, 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 and apply right away, mga mi. See you on the next episode. Bye! Thank you.
Bye!